Who came to our house? Who came to our door? Can you look out the window? Look out the window. Who came to our house, Corbin? Is it the Easter Bunny? The Easter Bunny came, Coco. The Easter Bunny came. Look at what he brought for you. What you got there?
Eggs.
Eggs, that's right.
Open.
Open them up.
Dada.
Okay. Here. Look. Look what you have, Coco. Inside of your egg. Another egg. Shaped like a basketball. Can you open that one up too?
Is there grass stuck to it?
There it is. Do you know how to open that one up?
Get all that grass out of there. What a mess.
Airplane.
What is it, Cor? Look at that. What is it? Airplane.
Cat.
Cat. Okay, throw it to Dada.
Cat.
Oh, you got it open. You got it open.
What came out?